To transfer money from Wells Fargo to Crypto.com, start by ensuring you have a Wells Fargo account and a Crypto.com account. If you do not have a Crypto.com account, create one by downloading the Crypto.com app or visiting their website and following the registration process. First, link your Wells Fargo account to Crypto.com by going to the Crypto.com app, selecting the account icon, and then tapping on Add Payment Method. Choose Bank Transfer and select Wells Fargo from the list of available banks. You will be redirected to the Wells Fargo website where you will need to log in and authorize the connection. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the Crypto.com app and select the account icon. Then tap on Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and select Bank Transfer as your payment method. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You will then be redirected to the Wells Fargo website to confirm the transfer. Log into your Wells Fargo account and verify the transaction details. Wells Fargo may require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email to complete the transfer. After confirming the transfer, the funds will be deposited into your Crypto.com account. The transfer may take a few days to complete, depending on the processing time of both Wells Fargo and Crypto.com. Once the funds are in your Crypto.com account, you can use them to purchase cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is essential to note that Wells Fargo may charge a fee for transferring money to Crypto.com, and Crypto.com may also charge a fee for depositing funds into your account. Additionally, be aware of the minimum and maximum transfer limits set by both Wells Fargo and Crypto.com. To avoid any issues, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Wells Fargo account and that you are complying with the terms and conditions of both Wells Fargo and Crypto.com. It is also crucial to keep your accounts and transactions secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money from Wells Fargo to Crypto.com and start investing in cryptocurrencies. Always review the fees and terms before making a transfer and keep your accounts secure to protect your funds.